At last, we meet for the first time, for the last time. I'm Grizz. With the Turnstile crew here at Avant-Garde, we bring you the best tips, tools, and products to keep your organization secure and up and running. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to learn more. We also love hearing your suggestions and questions in the comments. Now here's how you put on a arm cover. And it's just that simple. You're Schwartz! You're Schwartz! You're Schwartz! If you'd like to purchase these arm covers in small quantities, visit our online store by clicking the link in the description. For larger quantities, please reach out to our customer service department by calling 888-552-9046. Hopefully you found this information useful. If so, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can leave those in the comments below, and feel free to message us anytime. Thanks for tuning in to the Turnstile, guys. We'll see you in the next galaxy.